Hello my unique queens, Quiana Unique here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a t-shirt dress out of this t-shirt that I got from my local Walmart for only $7.88. It is Toy Story, and since the movie is coming out very soon, I said let's do this. So like I said, you're going to need a t-shirt. I got a 2XL or XXL. You're also going to need some pins, scissors, fabric scissors, and most importantly, a dress or shirt of some kind that fits you very nicely. Okay, so first we're going to lay the shirt out and we're going to cut off the sleeves. The reason why we're cutting off the sleeves is because we don't need them, and those seams in the sleeves are going to affect how you cut your dress. Next, we're going to lay our body fitting dress. Now since shirts stretch, I wanted to make sure that I chose a dress that kind of stretched, so that way we got that same feel once we put it on. And I'm simply laying it right over the top of the t-shirt, making sure that the fabric is stretched out as far as possible. Now I'm going to cut along the dress, leaving a 1/2 inch to 1 inch seam allowance. Now, I would suggest that you do this based on how confident you are that this dress will fit you well. Leave more seam allowance if you're not sure, and that way you can always take it in if it does not fit the way you want it to fit. Now, as you can see, I'm creating sleeves because my dress doesn't have sleeves, so I'm making sure that where the armpit hole is, I start to go out for my sleeve. Once I am done doing that, I'm going to flip the dress inside out, make sure that my ends are aligned as best as possible, and then I'm going to put pins right along the sides. I do this to make sure that my dress stays lined up perfectly, and then I'm just going to sew along those lines. Now I'm going to stretch the sleeves after the dress has been sewn. Now you can hand sew this or use fabric glue, but I don't trust fabric glue, so I decided to sew with a zigzag stitch, and it is all done. This was a super easy dress for the Toy Story movie that is coming out. I am going to wear this when I go watch the movie. I grew up watching Toy Story, and so Toy Story 4 will be out this Friday. I'm so excited. This is what I'm actually going to wear to the movies, because you know sometimes it gets a little nippy. And yes, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, you guys, be unique. See you next week.